I use several different techniques. As far as the vertebral adjustments, our primary method is activator. Okay, it's the most researched technique in chiropractic. It's been around for over 40 years, probably closer to 50 years now. It's an instrument adjustment. This is an activator. Okay, and it's got a little rubber stopper on the end of it, and we pull the trigger, and it moves the bone.